Either way, this decision will hold a lot of weight. And Jameson, I know you have some of the latest numbers on just how big of an issue it's become and the amount of people this could impact.
Yeah, Wendy, here they are. 43.5 million Americans, or roughly 1 in 5 adults, have student loan debt. As of earlier this month, those people collectively owed more than $1.7 trillion. Now, digging even deeper, I found that 25 to 34-year-olds here, they made up that biggest group with loans at 15 million borrowers. But here it is. It's the 35 to 49-year-olds who owe the most money here, more than $600 billion there. Now, if we go a little bit deeper, the younger group here, the College Board said 55% of the class of 2020 graduated with student loan debt. And among those, the average debt was more than $28,000. Wendy?
Thanks, Jameson. And regardless of the decision over loan forgiveness, payments will again be coming due. And new tonight, our Mary O'Connell takes this story further in depth, finding out how you should prepare for looming repayments.
It's a back and forth that's left some borrowers holding their breath.
So happy to have at least a little bit less than half of it taken away, but then it got paused, so I'm like, what's going to happen now?
Sandra Rodarte tells me she has between $50,000 to $60,000 in federal student loans. She had Pell Grants, so under the president's student loan relief plan, Rodarte would qualify for up to $20,000 in relief.
It was just important to get an education.
Back in August, the president shared the plan to give up to $20,000 in debt relief. According to the White House, in the less than 4 weeks the application was available, 26 million people either applied for debt relief or had already provided enough information to be deemed eligible for relief. Officials said over 16 million of those borrowers' applications were fully approved and sent to loan servicers.
Since we haven't had payments on student loans for, 3 years now, it's true they've probably spent that money, and so it's going to be very hard to put that back in the budget.
Christy Arkovich specializes in bankruptcy and student loan relief. When it comes to repayment and what to keep in mind, she said focus on things behind the scenes.
There's this program called IDR waiver. It's a one-time audit adjustment. It's for anyone who has a direct loan. And if you've been in repayment for 20 or 25 years, no matter what kind of payment you've made, you're going to get full forgiveness immediately. So the key is, if you have these older FFEL loans, consolidate them. You do so by May 1.
Arkovich said it's important you take action now before the pause expires. Officials explain the pause will end 60 days after the Supreme Court makes a decision on the case, and if no decision has been made by June 30th, payments will resume 60 days after that. Until then, some borrowers will wait for this relief to find some resolution.
That would be sad if the $20,000 doesn't go, but there's not much we would be able to do since it's out of our hands.
In Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.
Mary, thank you. I wanted to take this even deeper, thinking about what if President Biden's plan gets shut down for good. So I reached out to Hannah Barham at Bankrate.com this afternoon to ask her about what financial relief exists out there.
Also look into federal repayment options. Those with federal student loans have a plethora of options available to them, including alternative repayment plans, hardship relief, extended forbearance. So there are really a lot of options that borrowers have if they're unsure if they'll be able to make these payments.
And we also discussed recent research that showed people with student loans are starting to get delinquent more quickly on their credit card and auto loans over the past year than those without student loans. Hannah also recommended if you have student loans, now is the time to start laying out a budget if the Supreme Court rules against President Biden. Wendy?